in the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older.
Hello guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. It is 5 p.m. I just got done with work. I worked from home today, so this was the perfect time to start this video. It is Monday, November 13th, and the sun is setting. It is crazy because it's literally 5 o'clock and it's almost like dark outside, which I'm not used to, but I'm at Marshall's right now, and the reason I'm here is because I'm hosting a Friendsgiving. This is going to be one of my first Friendsgivings ever, and I am super excited. I am really not liking the state of my hair. Oh my gosh, it's definitely hair wash day, but I'm at Marshall's. I want to look for some cute decorations. I did order this off of Amazon today, and I'm really excited because I want to make a backdrop for pictures, and I think it's gonna be so cute. I'm trying to go for like a little bit of a theme, so my friends are helping me, and I think it's just gonna be beautiful. I want to put ribbon on wine glasses. I want to have little entry cards for seating and everything like that. It's gonna be a very small Friendsgiving, but I've never hosted one before, so I'm really excited. I don't know if you guys can see well, but I ordered this, and then to go behind it I ordered like little leaves, which I think are going to look very, very pretty. So I ordered those two things. I need to get some ribbon, and I want to get some candles and some decorations for the table, maybe some cups and stuff like that. So I'm gonna stop at Marshall's, Hobby Lobby, Trader Joe's, and Target to prepare for this. First I'm gonna go to Marshall's, and then we'll see what we can do today. I'm going to set up with you guys and then film the actual day because I thought that that would be so good and such a good memory. I'm literally freezing, and I can't put the heat on when I'm filming because it sounds so loud and I don't like it. So let's go to Marshall's and see what we can find. Hopefully there is some Thanksgiving stuff out because there's a lot of Christmas stuff out right now, and I really need some cute Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving decorations. I asked somebody at Marshall's and they have no Thanksgiving stuff at all. I found these two cute glasses that I didn't get, but I'm gonna try Hobby Lobby. I'm a little stressed out right now. I went into Marshall's. They literally had nothing. I asked one of the workers and he said they sold out weeks ago. It was all Christmas. So then I went into Hobby Lobby and they had some things, but it wasn't what I was looking for. And I don't want to get it if I am not going to love it because I want to be able to save it for next year. So I'm going to go to Target and see if I could find anything there, and hopefully we have better luck. I want to get fresh flowers from Trader Joe's, so I'm not worried about that. I'm just worried about the actual decorations. So let's go to Target and hopefully they have something. It is the next day, and I actually found a lot of things from Target, which I wanted to show you guys because I'm so excited. First things first, I found this white little tablecloth, which I'm going to use for the bottom of the table. I'm going to make sangria, so I got 2 of these to put the sangria in. Then I got these little cups. They're gold, and I think they're going to look beautiful on the table. I got these candles from, I don't know what section of Target, but it's like the home section, and if anyone knows what I'm talking about, please comment it down below because there's a specific section that I'm talking about, and this is where I got these candles. And I also got 2 red ones as well because I wanted to have a moment where one candle was lower and one candle was higher. Then I got these mini plates, which I thought were going to be really cute for appetizers, and then I got these bigger plates, which I'm going to have this and then this in the middle, and I thought that would be really cute. I got little name tags, and I'm going to put a little hole in the name tags and then attach ribbon to it. So of course I had to get ribbon. I'm going to use the orange and the red, I think, just because that reminds me of fall. I got some napkins, and the last thing I got so far are these acorns, and they have little pumpkins in them, and I'm going to use them as table decor. I still need to go to the dollar store and see if I could find anything else. Another thing, my backdrop came in, and me and my friends are going to set this up soon, and then my other backdrop came in as well. These are the leaves, and I think that these are gonna go in the back, and then the balloon arch is gonna go over it, and it's gonna look really cute. So that is everything I got. I needed to update you guys because I was so happy when I found all of this stuff. I really didn't expect to, especially after my Marshall's and HomeSense experience. I still have to get food and everything, but I'm gonna wait a few days, and I'm gonna wait until I think Saturday to bake and start making everything since everyone's coming on Sunday, and I'll get the fresh flowers then as well. It is a few days later now, and I actually got my nails done. I think they look so cute, perfect for like Thanksgiving and the holidays, and I am coming in with a sponsor for you guys. As you guys know, I love to work out. I love to go to Orange Theory, and workout clothes and any type of comfy clothes are just my vibe. So Halara Halara was nice enough to send me some pieces and I love them so much. If you've never heard of Halara before, they are an activewear company and I absolutely love their clothes because they're so stretchy, they're buttery soft, and they have such a good range on their website. They have sweatshirts, they have cardigans, they have leggings, which are my favorite. They have sports bras, they have literally so many things, and I'll have everything linked down below for you guys because it's amazing. I also have a code for you guys that I will have on the screen right here. And with all that being said, let me show you some of the stuff I got because I just can't wait. First things first, I got these crossover leggings and I got mostly everything in a size small. This is like the perfect fall color if you ask me. And another thing I really like about these leggings are they have little pockets, which for me is great because whenever I go on a walk or a run, I don't like to hold my phone. I like to be able to put it somewhere. And from experience, this helps so much. I love the stretch to these and I love how it's crossover. And I just think this is a beautiful color. The next thing I got are these leggings right here, and they are very similar. They're just a different color. This is like a dark blue color, which really reminds me of the winter. I was going for more of a fall vibe. So again, they have the little crossover, and again, this is a size small, very stretchy, very buttery soft. They have pockets, and this one is just a little more athletic material, whereas these ones are a little more soft. Next things next, I got these little waffle print joggers, and I love the color. Again, very stretchy, and this reminds me more of like a cargo pant, but in the style of a jogger, if that makes sense. And I think they're very soft. Honestly, this is something I would wear over my shorts before I go to the gym because now that it's winter, it's very cold in New Jersey. Also, I especially love these because I'm someone who loves waffle print. Whenever I see waffle print, I am the person who will buy it. So I'm very excited about these because I just think it's so comfortable, but also very trendy and cute. The next thing that I got is this cardigan sweater, and this is actually something I'm so excited for. So it reminds me of a button-down shirt, but it's more in the style of a soft sweater, and it reminds me of Christmas. I think it would be cute to wear with some leggings and a little crop top or a sports bra underneath. I also like the texture of it. It's kind of thick, so it'll definitely keep me warm during the winter. The next thing I got is another waffle print little hoodie. So it's pink, and I love pink. It looks like this, and I'm actually really excited for this because it's cropped and it's very soft and very stretchy. Personally, I like to be able to wear something that's cute, but also has a little stretch to it because it's more comfortable. So I'm very excited about this as well. And the last thing I got, I am super excited for because they remind me more of a dress pant, but they are still very stretchy and very comfortable, which I can actually honestly wear these to work and they would pass as acceptable for my job, but I would just have to dress it up with some boots and a cute shirt. But I think that these are amazing. You might not be able to see the detail well on camera, but when I tell you guys, these are so stretchy and they're exactly like that dress pant material. I would definitely be able to pull this off, and that's something I'm so excited for because especially when I go into the office, I would prefer to look obviously cute and acceptable, but if I can be comfortable, I want to be. With that being said, that is everything that Halara sent me. I am recommending the crossover leggings because I think that you guys will really love them. But again, I will have everything linked down below. Thank you to Halara for sponsoring this portion of the video, and let's get back into my Friendsgiving vlog. My hair looks crazy right now because I just got back from the gym, but my mom and my grandma are here. They're helping me clean my whole apartment because Friendsgiving is tomorrow. So we're just gonna set up and clean, and then I'm going to wash my hair because I want to blow it out for tomorrow so it'll look really nice. So I'm just gonna put it up for now, but we are starting with cleaning. I got a folding table and folding chairs from my mom's house, and we're going to just make it look really cute.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering, and maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that, but you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly get closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Maybe it's time to get home. Think that it's going a little too far. Even Feels like I'm patiently waiting in line. So can we ever have another moment? Can you just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we can take it to a different conversation. Things are getting comfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that still you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm that side of the corner just to give space, 'cause I wanna.
We finished setting up and cleaning. My mom was such a good help. She's such a good cleaner. She literally deep cleans everything all the time, and I really appreciate it. So Mom, if you're watching this, thank you, and thank you to my grandma too. I set up the table. I think it looks very pretty. The only thing I want to look for is different forks and utensils. I want to get some cupcake stuff because I'm going to make turkey cupcakes, and I have to get some cookie supplies as well. So we're at the food store right now, and we are going to see what they have. I need candy corn for one of the cookies I'm making, and I don't know if they're gonna have it because literally everything is decked out in Christmas, but I'm really excited. I think everyone's coming over at 5 tomorrow, but me and my friend Madison are going to bake in the morning, so it's gonna be really fun. And I'm gonna do my turkey cupcakes tonight with my boyfriend. But with that being said, let's go into the store. Let's see what we could find. Hopefully there's something good. I'm also so hungry. It's 2 p.m. and I haven't ate all day, so I have to get something to eat as well. But I'm very happy with the way the table came out. I think it looks so cute. And I put a little tablecloth on the islands that I have on the granite because I feel like that would be good to put the food on since the table's kind of small. So that is the plan. Let's go see what the food store has. I got some stuff. I got chocolate frosting. Thankfully they had candy corn, so I got candy corn. I only got 1 bag, hopefully that's enough. And then I got some funfetti cake mix. I got some turkey meat for a little lunch. I got these cupcake holders. I got chocolate chips because I want to make chocolate chip cookies. And then I also got red icing, which will make sense once I actually show you exactly what I'm making. I'm gonna make a sandwich really quick in the car because I'm literally so hungry. And then we're gonna go to Target because I need those candy eyes to put on the turkey to make it actually look like a turkey, and I also need some other baking stuff that the store didn't have, so hopefully Target has it. And I want to see if they have an easier Friendsgiving sign because the one I got is really cute, but you have to make the balloons and it's a lot harder than I thought it was going to be, and I can do it, it's just very time consuming. So I'm gonna see if Target has just like a sign I can put up, but if not, we will make that tomorrow. I found them, guys, thankfully. So I'm gonna make these later with my boyfriend. Right now I'm gonna go home and just get a few more things situated, and then we're gonna bake our cupcakes.
Wonder if you spend the winter all alone, yeah. 'Cause I don't please fall. I don't please fall.
Yeah. See, had to ask a question if you happy, girl. I'll change your mind anytime.
It is the day of Friendsgiving and everything is actually coming together really well. I'm gonna show you guys a little sneak peek of everything. I'm actually going to get a pedicure right now with my friend Madison, and then we're coming back here to set up the sign and everything. But this is what the table looks like. I think it looks really cute. I got literally everything from Target except the wine glasses are from Home Goods, and the candle holders are my boyfriend's mom's, and my boyfriend got me those flowers. But this is what the table looks like. It's really cute. And then I have this little setting over here for food. So we have some chips, some wine because we're gonna make sangria. I have this little give thanks always sign, which my boyfriend's mom got me from TJ Maxx. And I don't know, I think it looks really cute. So this is what the little progress is looking like. And then we just have to put up our little sign later. Okay, we just got a pedicure. No feet here, but Madison's here. We are starting to set up for Friendsgiving, and I think everyone else is coming at like 5. We have to bake, we have to make cranberries, we have to make our sangria.
It's cranberry jello with cranberry. I'll put the pineapples in. It's really good.
And then
It's Christmas wine.
we have Christmas wine.
Okay.
And then we're gonna make a charcuterie board.
A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of you. I don't know.
Friendsgiving is over and it was so fun. I really enjoyed being with all of my friends. I didn't vlog that much when they were there just because I wanted to really enjoy the moment, but I wanted to take a minute and come on and just say how thankful I am for every single one of you. I know Thanksgiving is Thursday. I believe I'm going to post this video on Monday. Friendsgiving happened on Sunday, and I'm just so thankful for everyone in my life, and I am very thankful for you guys as well. I hope you all have a happy Thanksgiving. Let me know down below what your plans are for Thanksgiving and what you are wearing on Thursday, because I'm curious. And I'm trying to plan out my outfit now, so hopefully we can help each other out in the comments. But with that being said, again, I'm so thankful and appreciative of every single one of you and everyone in my life. I love my friends, I love my family, I love all of you guys, and I'm just really happy. So thank you guys again. When Friendsgiving was going on, my sink clogged. I don't know how. It literally just started coming up with water, and me and my friend Brianna had to unclog it, and it took a very long time to figure out what to do and how to fix it. But it was so weird because a whole leaf, like from a tree outside, came up my drain, and I was like, how did that even get there? How does that happen? So it was very confusing. We fixed it, and it was really nice just being able to hang out with all my friends. With that being said, I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys again for watching. I have so much fun content coming up, so definitely stay tuned. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment a turkey emoji down below. And also remember to go check out Halara. Thank you again to them for sponsoring this video. I really love everything that they sent me, and I'm especially obsessed with their leggings. I will have everything linked down below in the description box, and be sure to use my code. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you really soon in my next video.